Hi everyone, this is Ashish and welcome to my channel. Today's my topic, how to get a work permit visa for any country. For any countries in the world. So lot of things I want to discuss today in this topic, and it is very interesting because these days everybody wants to settle in foreign, everybody wants to go out of India for work, right? So how? They have everything, they have qualification, they have experience, but guidance, that guidance they are not getting, right? So main thing I want to discuss. First of all, if you are in India or if you are working in any international company in India or any other company, big companies, okay, you cannot buy that visa from anywhere. It has to be provided by only company, right? Or any, that is called consultant who is approved, that is a big agency, from there you can get it. But if you have ideas, okay, example, if you want to go Dubai or Australia, USA, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, different countries are there, right? So if you want to go over there, then what you have to do, just type in the Google. By website also you can search USA all companies list, right? Okay, then you will get all list and you can track out any website, any companies. When you will click, as you know, in every company is having different options, right? Like career, contact, company profile, like projects, lot of things is there. So you have to click in career. When you will click, you will get all details like HR contact, HR mail ID, everything will be there. Or some companies having good options, directly you can fill your all details and you can attach your resume, then it will directly go to company HR department, right? Second option, also you can visit in any big agency who is in Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Goa, Rajasthan, Gujarat, right? Everybody is there, but try to go only big companies and who certified. Don't go any local, because these days lot of things is happening fraud. Don't go directly anywhere without any details, without any inquiries, okay? Example, in Delhi having one dynamic, in Mumbai Asian Power, okay? So big agencies is there, directly you can visit there and you can submit your resume. Lot of people are saying just get on visit visa and go any countries and you can work there. My dear, really it is not possible, because tourist visa, so it will be valid only for 3 months, and in 3 months you cannot search any job over there, right? And also you have get on room and then companies, the company, lot of risk are there, so it is not possible. So try to get work visa from India itself. About student visa, it has to be provided by only institute. If any student is going over there, then they have to stay in that institute accommodation. Business visa only for purpose of business related. So for visa, that is the main procedure. You should have good qualification. If you don't have qualification, then you can go there, but in a low position. All types of job is there in foreign, starting from low category to higher, okay? If you have good qualification, good knowledge, then you will be good, okay? And your salary will good, your accommodation, everything will be perfect. But if somebody is telling, I can provide you that visa, just pay me this much amount, don't believe. Never you will pay money, otherwise you will be lost yourself, okay? After paying money, you will not return back your money, you will not get visa, nothing, because simply will not get any job offer from foreign, okay? And really it is very easy to go. If you want to go Dubai, Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, so it is very easy to get a job. But you should have good confidence and experience, okay? Then you can get. That is not a very difficulty to get a job, right? It is very easy. First you have to make your decision. you should have confidence. Okay, so let's see from system. I have visa, right? So I will show you how you will get your work permit visa. Okay, okay, so let's see. This is a visa, right? Visa, State of Kuwait. 18 number, article number 18. This is a civil ID number, passport number, and visa expiry date and issue. Okay, then Ashish Kumar Patel. So this is the visa and arrival time. When 12 January 2013, arrived New Delhi. It means on 12 January I came in India, and 5 October 2016, 22 May 2015. This is only one page. Apply before you leave. How to apply visa, right? I already explained to you. Apply before you leave. Once you enter a country, it's more difficult to get a visa or work permit. If you do apply after entering a country, you will be probably have to leave there, re-enter. That is the main procedure. So lot of jobs are there. I would like to suggest to everybody, apply for that and go for it, attend the interview. Okay, then you will get success in your life. Thanks for watching this video. I hope everybody understood properly. If you want any more information, please type your message in comments box so that I can get to you. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comments.